remembered being 3 years old, windows down and radio loud, strawberry wine playing through the evening. I sang that song at the top of my lungs, too young to know what it meant. And you just laughed and looked at me like every little moment was heaven sent. Now I'd give anything in this world to take one more ride with you again. Now the mornings hurt a little different, and so do the quiet nights, because every little thing that happens, you're still the first one on my mind. And before my heart can catch itself, I still reach down for my phone, because losing you didn't just leave hurt behind, it left me feeling alone. From childhood on you carried pain, but somehow you still protected us, even when your own heart ached. You taught us love meant helping people, not for thanks or something in return. If you have it, you give it, was a lesson we'll always learn. Now it's our turn to carry it, 'cause even when life broke you apart, you still kept God by your side. You loved sewing and fighting that machine. Lord, it hurt every word you said. If it messed up in the middle of a stitch, Lord, help that poor old sewing machine. And if you weren't sewing, you had a book and coffee in your hands, coffee in the morning and before bed at night. Now even the smell of fresh coffee brings tears to my eyes. Now the mornings hurt a little different, and so do the quiet nights, because every little thing that happens, you're still the first one on my mind. And before my heart can catch itself, I still reach down for my phone, because losing you didn't just leave hurt behind, it left silence in our home. You were my mama, then became their Mamie, and those 4 grandbabies thought the whole world of you. Christmas looked like magic at your house, piles of gifts stacked up high. You smile more watching us open them than caring if your own were there. Most pictures never caught you in, because you were behind the camera instead. That was just the kind of love you gave, always putting us ahead. Family dinners won't ever feel the same. Thanksgiving, Easter, Christmas days, ham, chicken, and dressing on the table. That recipe came from generations before, and now it's ours to carry on, just like your love and your lessons, even though you're gone. Now when red birds fly across the sky, I whisper softly, I love you. And when I see those shades of blue, I still see your eyes shining through. because you were the voice I ran to for every wrong and every right. Mama, you were the one that understood us most, and no matter how much time passes, the truth is simple and heartbreaking. I just want Mama back. So when the red birds fly by heaven and the sky turns your shade of blue, I'll still be down here whispering I love you, and I still need you. And maybe God will remind you daily how much you're missed down here, because heaven may have gained an angel, but we just lost the heart of our world.